Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel. In this video, under vocabulary section, I will discuss common expressions with the word sound, understanding different meanings of the sound in English. So please keep watching. Sound advice means good advice or guidance. Example, my parents gave me sound advice on how to manage my finances. Sound asleep, meaning sleeping deeply and peacefully. This is most common you use. Example, I was sound asleep when the alarm clock rang. Sound judgment, good judgment or decision making. She showed sound judgment in her business dealings. Sound off. Definition: to express one's opinion, complaint loudly. The protesters sounded off against the government's policies. Sound out. Definition: to try to determine someone's opinion or intentions. I sounded out my colleagues to see if they were interested in the project. Sound the alarm, to warn people of potential danger. The fire alarm sounded and everyone evacuated the building. Sound bite, a short memorable quote or phrase, very important. The politician's sound bite was repeated on the news all day. In sound health, this is most common, good physical or mental health. Example, after a few weeks of rest, I was in sound health again. On sound footing, on a stable or secure basis. This is very common. The company was on sound footing after the new investment. Sound waves, a way of describing a new idea that trend and that is spreading quickly. Example, the news of the new product created sound waves in the industry. The AI created sound waves all around the world. Sound-minded, having a healthy and sensible mind. My grandmother was sound-minded until the end of her life. Sound beaten, defeated thoroughly or convincingly, especially in game. The team was soundly beaten in championship game. Make a sound, make a noise or create an impression. The new employee made a sound in the company with her innovative ideas. Safe and sound, most common, unharmed and secure. I am glad to hear that you arrived safe and sound. Sound barrier, an obstacle or challenge that must be overcome. The company broke the sound barrier in terms of sales revenue. Sound check, test of the audio equipment before a performance or recording. Example, the band did a sound check before the concert. Sound effects, artificial sound used to enhance a film, play or other performance, as you see in the functions and theaters. The sound effects in the movie made it feel more realistic. Sound mind, healthy and rational mind. The judge declared that the defendant was of sound mind when they committed the crime. sound practice, a sensible or prudent course of action. Example, it's sound practice to diversify your investment. It is a sound practice to learn vocabulary for language. Sound reasoning, logical and sensible thinking. Example, the professor's sound reasoning convinced the students of theory's validity. Recap of the expressions. Sound has multiple meanings in different contexts. It can refer to advice, health, security, and even audio effects. Understanding these expressions enhances communication skill. So please keep practicing with ND's Grammar channel and subscribing. Thank you.